The fear of failure. There are just two things which can stop you from not being confident. One is your own random thinking process. And in that random thinking process, there is one very strong thought. Very strong thought is this fear of failure. What if I fail? What if I fail? That is something that doesn't make you confident. Is there anything else besides the fear of failure that can stop you from doing things? Is there anything else that can stop you from not being confident? There's only one thing. There could be other secondary thing, but the primary thing, if you see, the primary reason is the fear of failure. What if I fail? Okay, so remember this quote here. Remember this saying, all of you. There is no such thing as failure in life. Either you win something, you achieve something, you win, or you will learn. There is nothing called failure in life. Okay, so this thought about I failing at something, so what? So what if you fail? Let's say you are appearing for some competitive exam. You try your level best. You have given probably more than 100%. And you have done anything and everything possible that it takes to clear the exam. Even then, if you fail, for example, it doesn't happen 99% times. It is just simply imagination. You're simply imagining that you may fail. Even if that imagination comes true, so what? So what? In life, there is no failure. The concept of failure is just in the mind. Okay. Remember, you will never fail in life. You will simply either win something, which is most of the times, of course, we all wish to win. Everybody wishes to win. But even if you don't win, in something, trust me, you learn. And there is nothing called failure. If you look at it like a failure, your mind will constantly work against you. And if you simply look at it like a learning opportunity, of course, you will come out as a better person. Yeah? You will always come out as a better person. There is nothing called failure in life, guys. Even if you have failed in some exam, every successful person today was once a failure. I have failed in so many times, but then I don't look at it like a failure. I don't look at it like a failure. So every successful person who failed, who for about whom we think they failed, they don't look at it like a failure. They don't look at that particular event like that they failed at something. They look at it like a learning opportunity, an opportunity to improve yourself, an opportunity to become better, an opportunity to strive to be the best version of yourself. Trust me, the only purpose that we have as individuals, as human beings, is to become the best version of what we can become, not comparing ourselves with anybody else. Remove this sense of comparison. Anybody, celebrities, sports stars, it's okay to have an idol. It's okay to have a role model, but not comparing with your role model. It's okay to take advice, but not comparing yourself with anybody else. Because trust me, you are the greatest and you are unique. That's what is wonderful about each human being. Every human being is unique. And there is always, we have set of strengths and set of weaknesses. Everybody has that. There's no such thing as failure. Either you win at something. That's so true. Either you win something or you learn from it.